yourself. Look at this beautiful sleeve. I believe you like this beautiful sleeve, and I want to narrate it for you so you can be able to do it yourself. Okay guys, here is LOISYCA'S Fashion TV, and before you continue watching, please never mind if you have not subscribed on my channel LOISYCA'S Fashion TV on YouTube. Please try and subscribe. Here is the draft part of it. The pattern I use paper stay to construct it is already well constructed, like a square root, and the shoulder part of it is just having a squarish shape, not like an armhole. And you see from here is 2 inches. We have 2 inches. We have 6 inches up above to get this square shape design. And from this part we have the length. From this part we have the length. From here down to the bottom part is the length. The tip part is the length. Can be 12 inches, can be 11, it can be anything, but you know it's before the elbow. Here is my center folded part. So from here is the extra, the upper side I cut. You see this place, in case you remove it, that means from this point is our length, while from this point is the additional part for the picking. You see the one picking it. So this is how you construct this very design. Pick it very well and sew it from this point. Sew it from the point and get the shoulder joint. So it's a beautiful sleeve altogether. The sleeve is very beautiful, and it can serve as your blouse sleeve, and it can equally serve as your dress sleeve. Okay guys, this is the Ankara I used to gum my paper stay. After cutting the pattern with the hard paper stay, during the two sleeves, I have to use it and place it on the Ankara. When I place it on the Ankara, I have to gum it very well, then revise it with another Ankara. Just keep watching. Here is the circumference of the sleeve. You see what I mean? Here is my upper arm. When I take the measurement of the round upper arm, that is the circumference of the arm. If it's 14 inches, I'll divide it like 2 inches. So that is how I get my sleeve measurement here over here. So that's how I get my sleeve measurement after taking the round upper arm. And it's only round upper arm, and here is the center part of my sleeve, and it's only this round upper arm you can use to get your round sleeve while cutting this very sleeve we're talking about. Okay guys, so remember the sleeve has to be after, so when you finish sewing your sleeveless. You see, when I sew it, after sewing it, hem it very well with my lining. You can equally use any other method in order to hem or to finish the hem of your sleeveless. This is how you sew this very sleeve you're talking about. After completing the sleeve this way, this is a sleeveless. After completing it this way, you have to get your well designed cup sleeve to attach on it, you know. So please don't forget to do the sleeve to be neat. So here is the sewn part. After, when I might have placed it on Ankara and sew it out, so the sleeve here is ready. After sewing, use another front Ankara to revise it over here. So this is how you do. You don't need to use lining to turn this inside. Here is the inside. Don't use lining to turn the inside. Use Ankara, both the upper part and the inner part. So here is center folded part. We usually explain on our platform as how I cut my sleeve. Here is the shoulder part where I'm going to do my complete finishing. So there is the shoulder part. You see how beautiful this sleeve looks. My shoulder part is where I'm going to make my tacking with the original or with the sewn dress, the sewn sleeveless dress. Here I'm talking about it here. Here is the clothes, here is the sleeveless pattern that you take this sleeve that you have already constructed or you have already sewn to place on top of this very one on mannequin. You see, the amazing part of this sleeve is that is removable. Is removable. Is removable. So everything about here you can't sew it. It's only on the shoulder. Only on the shoulder here. You have to use the shoulder of the new sleeve to fix on the older sleeve, being the one on sleeveless. You can sew it together. You can still wear it or use something to tag on it so you'll be able to detach it. So here is where you're going to join it on the shoulder. Please subscribe on this channel for more. Always remember to comment and like. Always remember to share so that other people can view or see this beautiful sleeve, how to sew it. Okay guys, how do you rate this beautiful sleeve? Just look at it very well and give me your rate. And we need a name for it. We need a name for it. What do we call it? I'm waiting for you on my comment section where you can tell me the best name for this sleeve.